Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use tablet mode in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to use tablet mode in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so it's easy. First, right click. After click on display settings. After click on tablet, click on change administrational tablet settings. Click it. Here option. If you want to turn off, if you want to turn on tablet mode, so /2 off position. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method. If we want to so guys, this is very simple and easy method if we want to turn off tablet mode on Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Please comment this video useful or not. Thank you for watching this video.